Hello friends, I'm Bob. In this video we are going to solve the Maclaurin series of square root of 1 plus sine x up to the x squared terms using the top right hand corner's equation. So the top right hand corner's equation tells us that a function of x can be expressed as an infinite series where f0 is the function evaluated at x equals to 0, f prime 0 is the function differentiated once and evaluated at x equals to 0, and f double prime 0 is the function evaluated at x equals to 0 after differentiating twice. We are going to solve this problem up to and including the x squared terms. The first step, what we will do is we will define the function of x as the following, which is a square root of 1 plus sine x. Then we differentiate the function once. What do we get? We get the following, which is half 1 plus sine x to the power of negative half. And then we differentiate the inside, we get just cosine x. Next, we differentiate the function twice. What we will get is as follows, which is half 1 plus sine x to the power of negative half differentiate with respect to x of cosine x. This part we are going to use the product rule, in which as shown. And then we can now evaluate what is my first term. So the first term we will just keep half 1 plus sine x to the power of negative half as it is. And we differentiate with respect to x of cosine x is just negative sine x. We now evaluate the second term. Differentiating with respect to x of 1 plus sine x to the power of negative half is negative half 1 plus sine x to the power of negative 3 over 2, and then we differentiate the inside is just cosine x. Next, we will simplify the equation. We will get the following. Next, we can find what is my function when x is equals to 0. f0 is just basically substituting x equals to 0 into fx. What we will get is just, sine x is basically 0. So we just get f0 as 1. As for f prime 0, substituting x equals to 0 into f prime x, we get this cosine 0 is just 1, and then this sine x is 0, so this would just be 1, and half times 1 times 1 gives me half. F double prime 0 is substituting x equals to 0 into f double prime x. We get this first term as the whole thing is 0 because my sine x is 0. And cosine x is 1, cosine x is also 1, sine x is 0. So negative 1/4 times 1 is just basically negative 1/4. So once we have evaluated my f0, f prime 0, f double prime 0, I can use the equation in the top right hand corner to move on to the next step. My function of x, which is 1 plus sine x square root, so this is equals to f0 is 1, f prime 0 is half x, plus f double prime 0 is negative 1/4 over 2 factorial x squared. Alright, so this is equals to 1 plus half x minus 1 over 8 x squared, and it is the Maclaurin series of square root of 1 plus sine x up to the x squared terms. If you guys like the solution, help me press the thumbs up icon below this video, and do consider to subscribe for more Maclaurin series problems. See you guys in a bit, and I will see you. Bye bye.